Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can get this free K-Pop Demon Hunter UGC on Roblox. So I will put the link of the game in the description box down below, but basically you'll need to sing your heart out and tap to the beat. So there will be a beat here, and then you're just going to tap when the beat hits the heart, and whoever gets the most points, you'll see the points up here. You'll only see yours though, so you don't know who's gonna win. But if you get the highest score, you will get the free UGC. But do not worry, if you don't win on the 1st of September, you need to join the game. And then you'll need to just watch the concert from the beginning till the end. And I think you'll get this free light stick UGC. So here, just tap on it. I already got the UGC, so I'm not going to try to win. But I got it on the first try. So also you can they will add the score if you didn't win if you play it again on that same day, but it's going to reset on the next day. So this is what I got. Let me just get out of the game. This is the hair that I got from completing and winning and getting the most points. I got the hair here. The outfit, I bought it, but the hair is completely free. And again, if you don't if you didn't win, you can join the game on the 1st of September and you will get that free light stick. So yeah, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. Also, I forgot one last thing, sorry. If you did win, just wait first. So don't leave the game immediately after the concert is finished. You're going to wait a few minutes, and then it's going to pop up, the notification will pop up that you won. But if you didn't win, I think obviously the notification will go on. So don't leave the game yet. Just wait for I'd say wait 3 minutes or 2, and then there will be a pop-up that you have won the UGC, and you're just going to click the button. That is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.